What would you say to those who are considering compliance help for their ISO help?
I truly recommend that you go to Compliance Help because they're very insightful, like I said, very helpful, guide step by step. Customer service is beyond belief, and you will never get lost in Compliance Help. They're definitely I'm lost for words. This is very helpful. Our company is called DSM Semichem. Um, we produce and distribute electric sulfuric acid. In short, it's ELSA. And we produce it or we distribute it to companies like Samsung and TSMC, a lot of big names. We're a startup company, but we're getting there. We were really grateful to have Compliance Help to actually guide us, and lucky actually to have Compliance help us out. It was a long and vigorous process, but it wasn't as bad as it sounds. It's really smooth and helpful, insightful. I learned a lot of things along the way about my own company, and I learned, to be a better a quality assurance specialist. And it definitely helped out this company in so many ways. It was not only we're not only grateful, but it was actually a hidden blessing, if you may.
How would you rate the experience of working with Compliance Help?
Is there a number beyond 10? If it's 1 through 10, scaled that way, if there's a scale, it has to go beyond that. I'm not gassing it up or anything. It's just that insightful. One thing I want to mention is that there is um, a big level of professionality, if I may, and it's just it's just a great experience. You'll have a good experience. And the deadlines and everything falls into place wherever you need.